ClickSmart Plus, making your home smarter. Every house is different. With ClickSmart Plus, you can create a system that suits your needs, no matter the size of your home. Can you imagine how your home could integrate itself into your daily life? With ClickSmart Plus, you are always connected to your home. It's all on your phone, allowing you to monitor and control your home from anywhere. Use existing wiring accessories or your phone to create smart lighting. If your hands are full, you can ask your smart speaker to do it for you. Alexa, turn on the fan. Using our smart accessories, if it's too cold, you can turn up the heat. View live video with the smart camera, or watch it later. You can use it for security, energy saving, and peace of mind. It all works with Zigbee. Smart devices communicate with each other over a mesh network, even if they are not in direct range of the hub. ClickSmart Plus, a winning combination of smart, stylish, and contemporary products.